Wow, man, this place is a muddy mess. It's actually a muddy masterpiece because it does so much for us. Bet you can't guess where I'm at today. You got it. Going in the swamp, AKA the wetland. You ready to go? Let's get it. Man, this place is amazing. Just check out all the wildlife that you see. I mean, you have all types of plants. Just imagine the animals that are under this. I don't want to know. As a matter of fact, I have on waders. Hopefully a snake can't bite through it. But this place supports so much wildlife, and we have to make sure that we protect them. What's up, my favorite earth science class? Man, today we're going to take hydrology to another step, man. We're going to walk through a wetland. As a matter of fact, man, this wetland is important because this is where our perennial stream basically lies. It runs through. This is where it floods, and the majority of the year it is wet. If you can see, man, there's water everywhere. All right, now this place is important because this is like the capillary. The capillary is a smaller part of your veins and arteries. This is the capillary to the river basin. All right, now you're probably thinking, river basin, what in the world? Let me tell you what a river basin is. A river basin is where the rain falls, and when that rain falls, all of the water that falls in that area actually drains to that river. As a matter of fact, North Carolina has 17 river basins. Yes, 17. I'll get you a map and go count them if you don't believe me. But these river basins are important because when the water falls here, the runoff that occurs goes to the river, and because of all these plants and things, these plants actually act like a big filtration system, and it keeps our rivers clean. All right, that protects them from eutrophication. Of course, that again is where a whole bunch of minerals and fertilizers get introduced to the water, and it causes algae growth or algal blooms. It also protects us from like commercial pollution. You have two types of pollution. As a matter of fact, you have point source and non-point source. Point source is where you can point out where it came from. Yes, it came from this factory or this plant or this parking lot. Non-point source is like when trash blows around. But anyways, this wetland actually protects our water supply. All right, that is very, very important. All right, your wetland is going to begin that flow of water from our land down here to this very low point, which is also going to run down to a lower point, which is going to lead to creeks. And we're going to talk about all that stuff in a later video. But I really need you to understand the importance of this wetland and why the perennial stream starts the beginning of the wetland.